So as they say in Pokemon, you gotta catch them all, and I have, thanks to the guys at Caudabe. So let's check us out. What's up guys, welcome back to Michael's Tech Talk. So big thanks to Caudabe for sending me out the Crimson Sheath. This is going to be my full set of sheaths completed this year, and I am buzzing to see this. So this is going to be a quick video guys. I'm not going to do, it's not going to be as long as my other sheath videos, because let's be honest, you've seen the sheath, you know how good it is. So I just want to do a focus on this new case and this new color. So let's check it out. So first off, packaging is as we expect. It's all cardboard, it's all recycled materials, no plastic here. So first off, now I have seen a little bit of feedback on some other videos that some people have been saying that this looks kind of pink, but I'll be honest guys, it really doesn't. Very much red. It really is. Now, I'll be honest, this kind of is a true reflection as to what my camera's seeing, as to what my eye is seeing. Well, it's pretty red. So, let's just slap it in here. Space black iPhone as well, which I think looks pretty awesome in this. Such a good case, guys. Tell you, Caudabe have smashed it this year with the sheath. They really have. My favourite cases this year. It's got that great lip up over the display, the great camera bump, great screen's not getting scratched up, it's fantastic, and of course it's one of the best Magsafe cases I have tried this year. Great job guys. What do you guys think? I have completed the set. So guys, what do you think out of all of the sheaths? What's your favourite colour? Let me know in the comments down below. I've done a little bit of a superhero theme naming these cases, so join in with me guys. Let me know in the comments down below. Give me your favourite superhero for each colour. So we've obviously got Team Batman. We have Team Joker. We have Team Green Arrow. And we have Team Nightwing. So, only fitting that this one will be Team Robin. Let me know in the comments down below guys, what's your favourite comic book character associated with the colour. Hit me with the hashtags down below. So as always guys, I'll leave you an affiliate link in the description down below for all of these cases. If you're interested in picking any of them up, the link will help support the channel, but it won't cost you guys any more money. So if you do, thanks for your support. That about wraps it up for this video guys. Hope you liked it. If you did, smash that like button for me, and don't forget to click that subscribe button and ring that little bell to be notified of new videos just like this one. And yeah, keep it locked to the channel guys. You want more down to earth tech review videos, you know where to come. And until the next one, I'll catch you later.